Welcome to the Neutral Zone. I'm Christian Furtazio with NeutraSafe, the North American leader in acidic condensate neutralization products. Acidic condensate from condensing high-efficiency gas equipment, boilers, water heaters, and furnaces is nasty stuff, and it can deteriorate your pipes, drains, concrete floors, wreak havoc on your septic system, and be harmful to the environment. And by code, it must be treated. At NeutraSafe, we treat acidic condensate using pure white calcite stone media, a naturally forming, stable mineral comprised of the compound calcium carbonate. Our calcite works wonders in lifting low pH of acidic condensate to harmless near neutral levels. Like all media, however, it will lose effectiveness over time and should be replaced during scheduled system servicing or when a simple pH test shows acidic condensate levels fall below a pH of 5. And no one makes it easier to replace media than we do. Our Neutra pH Recharge Kit socks make renewing media in our condensate neutralizers a breeze. Made of woven cotton and secured with stainless steel clips on each end, our Recharge Kit socks are sized appropriately by model and BTU capacity. Just remove the old sock and throw it away. No complicated disposal, soupy mess, or protective coverings needed. Simply slide the new Recharge Kit sock into your tube, tray, or NSP50 combination pump for a media refresh. It's that easy. The management of acidic condensate is all we do at NeutraSafe, and we proudly manufacture right here in America. Trust the experts, get educated, stay in compliance, and follow the codes. And neutralize acidic condensate like the pros do with NeutraSafe.